Hi, this is Tracy from Startpoint Counseling. I'm just doing a quick video to show you how easy it is to set up the Zoom software on an Android smartphone so that we can do video counseling with you. Now, I've sent myself a test email, which is what you see on the screen at the moment. In this email, there's a link. Normally, you'll receive an email from us with the appointment time as well as the link. So let's have a look at the link. We're going to click on the link right there, and the link is now loading a web page. This is the Zoom web page, telling us that in a few seconds the meeting started. Now it's come up and given us some choices to join a meeting. We'll join a meeting if the software already exists on your phone, but in this case it's not on my phone at the moment, so I need to download from Google Play. So let's do that. Download from Google Play, install. And so now it's downloading and it's going to install the software. And as soon as it's done that, I'm going to show you simple steps that'll get you straight through to the meeting. This is absolutely so simple to do. I just love this Zoom software. I use it for a lot of things. I use it because it's easy. I use it because it's secure. I use it because it's professional, which means it's stable. I really count on a good result. So here we go. We're getting up there. It's going around the circle. It's almost ready to go. Installing. Okay. And so I can go open, and when we open, it'll come up, and you'll see this is a screen, a front screen where it's got join a meeting on there. But in order to join this meeting, I need to know the room number. I don't have that at the moment, so now I'm using the back button on my Android, and I'm going back to the email that we came from. And what you're about to see next is what you'll normally do when you have additional appointments after the first one, after the software is installed. You'll click on the link in the email that we send you, and it will go back to the page we saw before. So the meeting will start in a few seconds. Here it is, and this time we'll go join meeting. Now it's already picked up the meeting number from the email. You're actually on the screen. Now because I'm not logged in as the host, so there's a thing up the top, you just can't see it. I'm going to tilt the camera a bit, and you see waiting for host to start the meeting. So normally what would happen is I would already be there. If for some reason I'm not, you'll get this screen. And because this screen's here, just wait, because I'll be there if I'm not already there. If I'm already there, you're going to see me on the screen. That's how easy it is, and we'll be talking face to face then. Very simple. It's all launched off an email. You launch it off an email, it allows you to install whatever software has to be installed, and then go from that. Thank you.